Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I'm looking forward to an international trip, but what do you need on your trips? An international plug adapter like this one from URJD. This plug adapter is super easy to use, it's compact, and it makes me feel like I am completely ready for my trip. This plug adapter will actually work in 200 countries, so it's really ready for anywhere that I go. I really like it because it literally has A to Z when it comes to being able to use different plugs. But for me personally, I wanted something that would let me use USB, USB-C, and it works perfect. This plug adapter is perfect for your electronic devices. You do want to make sure you pay attention for things that may require high wattage, but I am super happy that it has all of the different types of functions that I need. I'm really ready to be able to use this so that I can keep my phone charged, my computer, my laptop, whatever I need to have with me. This block is also really compact, so it'll fit in really well with my luggage, and it's a really cool, nice purple color, making it easy to find in my luggage as well. If you're looking for something that will help you internationally, you need to get one that is so adaptable like this one, especially if you're a frequent traveler. I'm really happy by the durability of this one and how many options that it has for me, but that's just my point of view.